Guess you wonder where I've been.
Okay, so basically I'm in my nephew's and niece's playroom. Today I'm going to be turning some plain clothes into cute clothing. These are some of the clothes I want to just transform. I have these Hollister mom jeans and they're like a gray kinds, and I don't wear them anymore, so I felt like I could like change them up a bit. I bought some fabric crayons and I'm going to just draw some Louis Vuitton prints on them and then rip them out, hopefully. So that's what I'm gonna do with this one. So hopefully I can do this one today. If not, I'll do tomorrow. I also have this like red tank top, and like I don't really wear it that much, and it's like so plain, so I'll put like, I don't know, I saw this thing on PacSun. It was like a Playboy Cardi kind of like shirt tank top, so I'm gonna try to do that. And I also have this plain black dress. I also saw the Playboy Cardi one. It has the Playboy sign on it, so I'm going to be doing that. I hear people. Okay, so yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, I really look oily. So that's the clothes I'm doing. That's my sister. Hi. Sorry for the background noises. It is very loud at the moment. I'm gonna search up the little sign thing I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna try to do this one. If it wants to focus. There, I'm doing this. I'm picking this up. From that. Yep. Oh, that's easy. Once you print this or you cut. That's the cricket. That's the cricket. There's her dad. I have this one. I have this one. It's actually really cute. Oh my god. Hopefully it just doesn't. Okay. Yes! It looks so nice. So there's this one. I'm gonna try the clothes on at the end of the video, but I'm going to be DIYing these jeans. Guys, look at my little baby niece. Okay, so I'm downloading the logos down to my jeans. Okay, so now I'm in the process of doing my jeans. These are what they look like. I did Louis Vuitton prints, as I said, and for the stencils, my sister helped me use the gray cut machine, and we made some stencils. I'm planning to put on some rips on this part, probably up here too. Is it cold? Yeah. You wanna say hi? Okay, so this is the kind of final result, or not final result, but these are what they look like at the moment, and I'm going to do rips on them. We have an X-Acto knife. Alright, so it's like 12 a.m. and I still haven't finished my video, so I'm gonna end it like right now. I'm gonna try on the outfits and I'll show you guys what they look like. So I haven't like finished the pants. It isn't complete, but probably in another video I'll show you guys like the end results of it. I have the shirts done. I'm gonna wear the jeans still because why not? So yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm in the kitchen, living room kind of stuff, and this is the first dress. It's pretty simple. I just added that to it. I mean it. Hi guys. But yeah, this is the top. It's really cute. The first fit. And then now I'm gonna try this on. This is the shirt. This is what it looks like. It's really long and like very stretchy too. And it kind of looks weird. I don't know. And I just have shorts on, so I don't know where I could wear it to though. I'll try the shirt on with the jeans. So this is the jeans. It's really extra. I did a lot. I don't have my tripod with me, so it's gonna be like really hard showing you guys. I did like a rip right here. It's not done yet though. On the mom jeans, it has like this type of thing on it, so I'll show you guys in the mirror. Okay, so like the bottom mirror is like really messy and dirty. I don't know where I wear this. Kind of looks so random. All right guys, so I'm gonna end the video now. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.